How often do you watch videos? How often do you watch videos? 你多久看一次影片？ I usually watch videos at night. I usually watch videos at night. 我通常晚上看影片。 How often do you play games? How often do you play games? 你多久玩一次游戏？ I sometimes play with friends. I sometimes play with friends. 我有时候跟朋友玩。 How often do you listen to music? How often do you listen to music? 你多久听一次音乐？ I always listen after school. I always listen after school. 我总是放学后听。 How often means frequency. How often means frequency. How often 代表频率。 Always means all the time. Usually means many times. Always 是总是。 Usually 是通常。 Sometimes means once in a while. Sometimes means once in a while. Sometimes 是有时候。 I usually watch videos. I usually watch videos. 我通常看影片。 I sometimes play games. I sometimes play games. 我有时候